Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Control Any Sim mod in Sims 4. So first of all, open a browser, write Control Any Sim mod, and then click on Control Any Sim v1.2.6. Then you need to scroll down until you see downloads and download the latest version here. Save it to your computer. Then what you need to do here is to extract all, press extract all to your desktop, and then you have folder here. So delete zip file, you have folder here. Then select Control Any Sim and you will have few files here. So just drag and drop to your desktop these two files. Then what you need to do here is to open a file explorer, go to documents, go to electronic arts, then go to Sims 4, then go to mods. If you don't have mods folder, just create one, super easy. Then drag and drop these two files here, and then you just need to launch the game, okay? Once the game is launched, on the mods folder, you should see Control Any Sim. Also, if the mod is not working, press escape, or your first time installing mods, go to other, and then make sure these two options is selected. If it's not, select it, apply the changes, and then restart the game. And then, now let's look if the mod is working in game. So guys, I'm in game, and if I want to control this person here, all I need to do here is to press on relationships here, press on that particular person, actions, and then control sim. And as you can see here, now I can control it, right? So I can walk it, I can do a bunch of different things. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.